Welcome back to another video about the 10 cryptocurrencies. I hope you liked the previous video I made. So let's start off. So I'm going to say the cryptocurrency's name and then the price. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Stellar, Cardano, Tron, and IOTA. Now the price. Bitcoin 7,236. Ethereum 536. Ripple 58 cents. Bitcoin Cash $935. EOS $12. Litecoin $114. Stellar 26 cents. Cardano 18 cents. Tron 6 cents. And IOTA $1. So as you know, they'll go up and down. So if you see the Bitcoin price, it would be like 8,000 or down to 6,000. So that's it for today. This is all I have, and subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Go to the Weirdest Coins website to find out more information. Thanks for watching and watch out for my next video.